Alright, we are on our way now to the Dubai frame and more of a budget activity to do. The ticket was around 11 euros per person. Also the taxi ride there, which is a 10-15 minute ride, was 12 dirham, which is 3 euros, but it's also pretty affordable.
Right now we are near this Dubai frame and it's very cool and a cheap activity. It costs 20 euros per one person.
No, 11.
It costs 11 euros per one person.
Quite a nice view up there, you know, I guess it's a picture frame, so let's hope we see some picturesque images when we are at the top.
I think it will be amazing view. So, see you later. If you want to be here, you have to buy tickets on the site, so it's very easy. You shouldn't stay in the big line and wait and waste your time. So just one click, boom, and you have it.
It's actually also a pretty nice park here, so if you want to come earlier or actually after the visit, have a little look around, a little walk. I think that's actually a nice thing to do, so spend a little bit more time than just a visit. But it looks crazy. It's actually, yeah, just a frame, a thin frame. So we're gonna go all the way up now and show you the view from there.
You'll start your journey in the past museum and we'll take you back in time 50 and 60 years. The lift will take you to 150 meters, 50 seconds, you'll be there at the top. It'll be 3 meters per second speed of the lift. From the top, you'll have the view of old and new Dubai, and you'll walk on a glass bridge. The view will be framing the entire city. It's a journey of time of the past, present, and Dubai's future. Hope you enjoy.
Yeah, thank you. So at the start you kind of have this cultural experience. Feels like you're walking into an old scenery here, and they kind of take you through the history. It all actually looks very cool, and it's, to be honest, better than a souk because nobody's trying to sell you something. It's actually more enjoyable to walk here. We're gonna take the lift now. It's going quite fast. It's not so scary, I'm not afraid of heights, but oh shit, we're already there. That was fast.
On the left you will see old part of the city, and to the right downtown near Dubai. We have smart glass in the middle, so to make it transparent you have to walk.
So this is actually very cool. They have glass there, but the thing is, the glass is actually not see-through, but at the moment that I put my foot on it, it's gonna become transparent. So I'm gonna see how high I am. So let's do it. As you can see, now I don't see anything, so let's start walking. Oh, here we go. Wow, this is very high. So JC is afraid of heights. So JC, are you gonna walk, sir? So it's closed now. JC is gonna walk. Asha goes. Oh.
It's okay.
JC, it's closed again.
I'm ready.
I think it's time.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Oh, but when you look on the camera, it's less frightening. But
It's more like a game then, yeah. On the left you have the old sites, which I actually already showed you before in the videos. And then here we have the new sites. So there we have New Dubai. You see the bush right here in front of me. So here at the end they kind of give you a preview of the future of Dubai. Wow, it already is pretty futuristic right now, it's on the spot. But apparently it's gonna be this, it's gonna be Tron. I like how they make it so happy. 3, 2, 1. Oh, here we go. What's gonna happen? What are they gonna plant on Dubai? Apparently the new Dubai is gonna be on Mars. Yeah, this is basically the same. Dubai was a desert, there was nothing. Now there's Dubai. Mars, there's also nothing. So yeah, maybe. The thing here actually, it says here that it took 2 days to get the top part up there, and it actually per second went up with 3.5 millimeters. I found that really cool to like imagine that just like every second this entire top bridge is just 3.5 millimeters higher, and then that goes on for 2 days, which is a very, very slow process.